Hindi naman gumagana yung remote. Siguro sa bahay ho na battery. Umangat yung mga batteries. Ayan. Umangat yung mga batteries. Another test guys. Tapos ibang laruan ngayon eh. So far ito lang yung laruan ko ngayon na RC helicopter and yung ano, yung Bell, nakalimutan ko model nun, C138 yata. So ito yung XK 170, bagong labas na RC helicopter ng XK. Sa ngayon sa ano muna ako, RC helicopter muna ako focus kasi hindi siya space consuming, unlike nung RC helicopter hirap i-store eh. RC plane ang hirap i-store, hirap maghanap ng storage ng space to store. Ito maliit lang, so walang masyadong problema sa storage, maliit lang, so kahit konting space lang ka pwede nang i-store, i-stock. Pero yung RC plane mahirap, yung medyo malalaki, hirap. Okay, anyway, medyo mainit na kaya hindi ko na patatagalin yung test flight ulit. Ayan, may altitude hold. Ayan, very easy to fly because of the altitude hold. Pero tulad na sinabi ko, parang hindi ito advisable sa ano, sa beginner because grabe yung power nya. Brushless motor, dangerous, mabilis, powerful. So I think kung beginner ka man, you should be very careful and very wary sa pagpalipad nito because yun nga, parang ano siya eh, overpower siya because of the brushless motor. And to think, pero 3.8 volts siya eh. Hindi siya yung 3.7 volts na usual na ginagamit sa mga brush motor na RC helicopter or RC plane. This one 3.8 volts, 800 milliamperes yata if I'm not mistaken, pero too much power inside the hood. Grabe yung power nya, sobrang bilis. Kung maririnig nyo yung motor nya eh, oh. Lapit ko lang, kung maririnig nyo, grabe eh, oh. Grabe yung palo ng propeller nya, ng LC. Malakas, too powerful. As you can hear the noise. Grabe, you can feel the power. Grabe yung power nya, rinig na rinig, mararamdaman mo sa propeller nya. Grabe. So this is not recommended for beginners, especially kahit may altitude hold to. Kahit may mga feature siya na pang ano, marami siyang feature na pang beginner, like especially yung altitude hold, pero medyo madulas siya eh. It's twitchy, a bit twitchy compared to other beginner friendly RC helicopter. This is twitchy, and determining factor for not being beginner friendly is the brushless motor, in my opinion. Too powerful, dangerous, too powerful siya. And yun nga, a bit twitchy kahit may altitude hold siya, and 6-axis gyro stabilization. Kahit may stabilization siya, may stabilizer, still napaka ano niya, dangerous. Dangerous and powerful, grabe. Yan, mararamdaman mo sa palo ng kanya the way the propeller moves and rotate. You can really feel the power. You can hear and feel the power. This is not a toy, guys, especially sa mga first time na makakapanood ng ganitong mga hobby. This is a toy, but this is not really a toy. This is not really a toy for kids. This is for grown-ups. Actually, ang nakalagay sa box is 14 years old and above. Kasi yun nga, kailangan you have full understanding of the aircraft, and you know how to operate. Dapat you are a bit you already know how to operate before you try it, or you have you must have under a adult supervision. If you're a beginner, you must be supervised by an adult or by an expert already, because this is not really a toy. This is a dangerous toy. Brushless motor, very powerful. It can cut your skin, may cause injuries if used improperly, or fly if flown improperly, improper, dangerous. It may cause injuries. Delikado, especially pag tumama sa sensitive parts like eyes. Delikado. Head, pag tumama sa ulo mo, delikado yun May cause injuries, wounds, lacerations. Basta be very careful when you fly this, especially for the first time flyers. This is very dangerous. Very dangerous toy. Okay, that's it. Too hot already, because summer is kicking in here in the Philippines. So I can already actually feel the heat of the weather, the hotness. Grabe na, it's 10 o'clock in the morning.